of Sanskrit, Vedas, hymns and mantra, and they are close to the God. That's why we put them on first number.
Okay.
And they have the right to read and write at that time. The second one, the people who just look over the society, who just save for the safety of the people or the society, they comes under the warrior.
Is
They
today
become the king.
Is that the policeman today or no?
No,
It's the
not
government.
no. Yes, no. Actually, that was India. Highly caste system based.
Right.
So at that time, the people who just work for the safety of the society, or they have chosen a family. So from that head family, one person become king.
Okay.
So the kings, you can say, basically are the warriors. So you will get the name of just last name in Indian names are the family name, or you can say the caste.
And what's a typical second caste name?
Warrior.
Last name.
Last name is Singh.
Singh.
A Rajput.
Oh, really?
Rajput.
Navi. You're Singh. Are you Singh also?
Yes.
Okay.
Singh or Rajput.
Rajput. Okay.
Chandel, like this, they are mostly belongs to the warrior families.
Okay.
Means in different portions they have different
Right.
titles.
Okay, so go back to the first. What would their last name typically be?
Just Pandey, Mishra,
Mishla?
Tiwari,
Okay.
Chaube,
Okay.
Sarma,
And
like
that,
this.
well, now the third is the traders?
Business, traders, merchants, business. Those who have the surname last like Jaiswal,
Gupta?
Gupta, Agrawal, so they are purely businessmen.
Okay.
And the last one, as you know, untouchable, who do just the lean work, means for the society cleaning, sweeping and drainage works.
Wow.
So they are belongs to the scheduled caste.
Are they called the children of God?
Yes, actually the Mahatma Gandhi has given the name of them to the children of the God.
Okay.
So that's why they are considered. But nowadays, after when India get independent, people are getting more education, so they just removing these kinds of barrier from the society. But this is our ancient time practice. It's not when we don't also know when this caste system is created. Actually, this caste system was created on the work basis. But
So even though it's going away, it still exists, right?
see, it still exists, but it is now the means effect or influence is depleting day by day, because people nowadays are getting more education.
And with the more education, are more people marrying outside of that, or no? They're still marrying in
Still
their
in
group?
India, out of 10, 2 are outside and 8 are considered as the same caste. Just because